Now, Aspire Beta contains water traps as one of the options, but if we look up at the items at the top there's no water traps. And the reason for that is that water traps have to appear at the end of the pipe. So in this example, I want to put a water trap at this point here. And how you do that is you go to that end cap. So if I select it, say here, just make it at this end cap here. Then there's the water trap option there. So I select that water trap. You'll see that that has the effect of having a blocked end cap basically, because it's not there for air to flow through, it's just there to collect water. So that's basically how you go about adding a water trap. Just recalculate that. There we go, there's our water trap is now part of the system, and if we look a bit more carefully, you'll see it has a different icon there. With the blue to indicate the water and grey to indicate, I guess, the air above the water. Anyhow, that's how we add a water trap.